The good news is my pain disappeared spontaneously, and I'm sure it has something to do with all your prayers. It is a miracle.
Goodbye, LA, city of dreams, city of concrete, city of extremes. We'll miss you, city of angels in disguise. But I'm moving to Florida under softer skies. We'll shut Boulevard fades in my rear view. The walk of fame goes southbound too. I'll bring with me the Hollywood sign, but it's time to draw a different line.
I've always lived a very exciting life, I would say. International artist traveling the world.
So San Isidro Ranch is not by the ocean, it is more inland in Santa Barbara. It is in a very upscale area, Montecito. So this place is not a high-rise hotel type, but rather they have cottages all over, and this is where they stay.
But right now, I have been confronted with a surprise in life that is going to mark a change of an era. And this is my story. Hello everyone, Cherise here. It is a Monday, and anyway, I have good news for you, but it took me a long time to get to this point. So I had said that I have decided in surgery because I feel that I am older and I'm moving to Florida by myself. I don't have doctors there, and I don't know the hospitals there, and I have my insurance here. I will also have my insurance there, but it's just a different story. I have a lot of support here. However, the good news is my pain disappeared spontaneously, and I'm sure it has something to do with all your prayers. It is a miracle. And also, I've been using this LifeWave X39 patches, and in only 2.5 weeks, my pain disappeared spontaneously. So I went to the doctor on Friday, already ready to say I want surgery, because even if the pain is gone, I don't want it to come back. But the doctor is very honest, and I prayed hard to God to please give me a very, very clear sign that I cannot say no to it. And the doctor himself said that because my pain is gone, I should not base my decision on fear that the pain will come back later in the future. It is not a good enough reason to have surgery. So the doctor himself adamantly said that. And so therefore, and that's really very honest of him, and he says that that's not how the US doctors operate. Meaning, they're not gonna just advise you to have surgery if you no longer have pain or hardly have any pain because you're fearful of the future. So good news is I won't have surgery. That is the good news, and it is really a miracle. I was down again for a day or two because my plans are again all topsy-turvy, but I've accepted it, and I have to have faith in God that this pain is not going to come back. And if it does come back, which I pray it won't, the doctor said that the procedure is so easy that anybody, anywhere can do it. So wish me luck. I am now going forward to move to Florida in September, end of September. And that's another story. And anyway, thank you for all your prayers, because this miracle of my pain spontaneously disappearing after only 2.5 weeks of taking LifeWave X39, whereas other people have to wait for 3 to 6 months for the pain to disappear. Mine disappeared in 2.5 weeks. I don't know if it's just purely the LifeWave X39 that's the reason, but I am sure from the bottom of my heart that a lot of it has something to do with your prayers. And thank you, and you will still hear more about this story of how I navigated through this journey I've heard many people tell their stories, and I'm going to share their stories because pain is not an easy thing. It is not an easy thing. Talk to you more. Bye. Hi, Cherise here. 3-minute video here. I just had my hair done. Beautiful, beautiful day in Los Angeles. Beautiful, beautiful day in Los Angeles. Sunny, a little bit on the warm side, but never as warm as other places. Anyway, I broke the news just a few seconds earlier that my pain has been spontaneously healed. And surely because of your prayers, I thank you so much for that. And for LifeWave X39. I'm going to talk more about it. This is not the end of it. I'd like to thank everyone who have reached out to me, have stopped me to tell me about their own journey with spine dilemmas. Spine, I call it spine now, because YouTube is very strict. They don't want to hear negative words, and the first word that I used was pain, and they didn't like that. So it is now called my spine journey, and I'd like to thank you all. I'm going to talk about stem cells more in depth, the advantage. I don't see any disadvantage, and there's supposed to be a 3-minute video to complete the 8-minute requirement by YouTube. So I haven't got much to say. I've said enough already. You've heard my journey. I thank everyone. My doctor who himself adamantly said that I should not have surgery. I should not fear, and I should not use fear as a reason. Fear and age, thinking that you are older, as a reason to have surgery. There's many of you out there that have your own dilemmas. So reach out to me, drop a comment. We can talk about it. I've read so much about stem cells, about a bunch of other things. I'm pretty much very well informed, and you can reach out to me for resource. I thank you all. There's not enough thank yous in the world to say that I am so incredibly grateful. And by the way, I never went on that cannabis path because it's just not for me. It is for many others, and that is just fine. It is a lifestyle, but it is not a lifestyle that fits me. So you will see some more of this, some more of me the artist traveling the world. And I will move to Florida soon, and you will hear about that story as well. So life continues, a full life continues. Happy hallelujah, hallelujah. Drop a comment, have a great day. Bye.